In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to calculate sample size using Excel. This is a simple and practical method you can use when you want to estimate the number of responses or observations needed from a larger population. Excel makes this quick because once your values are entered, the calculation only takes a single formula. To get started, open Excel and create a blank worksheet. You can use an existing workbook if you prefer, but a blank sheet makes it easier to follow along and avoid confusion. The goal here is to place your key values into cells so Excel can calculate the sample size for you automatically. Next, enter your data into the worksheet. In this example, you'll be working with the values that the formula references, so make sure your data is entered into the correct cells. Since the formula uses cell B1 and cell B2, those are the important locations to focus on. Take a moment to double check your entries before moving on, because even a small typo in one of the cells can change the final result. Once your data is in place, you're ready to calculate the sample size. This is where Excel becomes especially useful, because instead of doing the math manually, you can let the spreadsheet handle it instantly. If you expect to repeat this process later with different values, keeping the formula in Excel can also save time in future calculations. Now select an empty cell anywhere on the worksheet. This cell will display your final sample size result. It's a good idea to choose a nearby cell so the result is easy to see in relation to the data you entered. Keeping everything close together also helps make your worksheet more organized and easier to review later. In that empty cell, type the following formula exactly as shown: equals B1 divided by open parenthesis 1 plus B1 multiplied by open parenthesis B2 squared close parenthesis in Excel format, that is B1 1 plus B1, B2, 2. As you enter the formula, be careful with the parentheses and symbols. Excel relies on the exact structure of the formula to calculate the result correctly, so accuracy matters here. After that, press Enter on your keyboard. Excel will immediately calculate and display the sample size in the selected cell. If the result doesn't look right, go back and verify the values in B1 and B2, and make sure the formula was entered correctly. That's it. You've successfully calculated sample size using Excel with a straightforward formula. This is a fast way to handle sample size calculations and can be especially helpful when working with surveys, research planning, or data analysis. If this tutorial helped you, please consider subscribing. We post new software tutorials every day to help you get the most out of your favorite tools. Thanks for watching.